Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I'm from Jobs in Sydney, Australia from Facebook page and sydneyclassified.org. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney and how to apply, so it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I'm showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, administration officer required in Sydney. So guys, let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Administration officer required in Sydney. An exciting opportunity exists for an administration officer level 3 to join dynamic team at Macquarie Hospital. Employment type permanent full-time. Position classification administration officer level 3. Remuneration 1168.73 to 1207.07 per week. Hours per week 38 hours per week. Where you will be working. Northern Sydney's vision is to be leaders in healthcare, partners in community well-being. Our purpose is embracing discovery and learning, building partnership and engaging our community to deliver excellent health and well-being. What you will be doing? The administration officer provide a comprehensive range of administration support and customer service to the staff and customer of NSLHD in the pursuit of unit and department outcomes. All NSW health workers are required to have received at least one dose of COVID vaccine by 30 September 2021 and 2 doses by 30 November 2021 or have an approved medical contraindication certificate. You will be required to provide record of your COVID vaccination status if successful. Candidate will need to meet the following criteria: consistently demonstrate behavior that reinforce the core values of our organizations, collaborations, openness, respect and empowerment. Demonstrate these behavior with all stakeholder, colleague, direct reports as well as our patients and consumer and those that care for them. Highly professional phone manner and excellent communication and interpersonal skills, ability to be self-motivated with good time management skills, excellent oral and written communication skills, well-developed computer skills include accurate data entry skills, demonstrated flexibility with work duties and locations. Need more information? Click here for the position description. Find out more about applying for this position. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, administration officer required in Sydney. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV to this email address. And if you have any question about this job, so you can easily ask by use this number. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page and also new jobs links available in the description, so you can directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.